keep pushing me closer to the edge again. The edge again. Suffocating underneath. I'm trying to numb the pain. I just wanna feel again. But your eyes, I know I can. Pull me under. You keep pushing me closer to the edge again.
Oh my goodness. There I am. What is up, team? Holy shit, man. I'm not even kidding you. The audio almost went out, and I'm sounding like I'm in the freaking middle of the Grand Canyon right now, but we are here. We are alive. Let me adjust the stupid mixer so I don't sound like I'm going through the freaking Grand Canyon, right? And there we go. All good. What is up, team? What is up, everybody? Man, dude, no echoes here, I say. What is up, you guys? Thank you so much for coming on by. Please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live, long, thrive, and survive, right? Let's take a look at that fucking chart right now, man. What the fuck is that? Oh, damn. What is up, family? Good to see everybody in here. Guys, am I actually booted out of the freaking chat or what? Oh my goodness. No, I'm here. I still hear you guys. I still hear you. Are you able to see my stream? No, right? This is on for Discord, right? Guys, remember, please go into the YouTube so you can watch the stream from there, right? We're just going to go ahead and make sure that we can apply the audio into here, mute the audio inside of the Discord trading team. I'm sorry. I guess the YouTube actually, and just listen to me here. But I want to know, Coin, is the audio transferring in real time? Yeah? Like, is it the same as the one on YouTube? The timing on it, right? Because you have a delay. There's a latency on YouTube that goes about 7... okay. All right, cool. So it's a very little latency, right? I put this thing on ultra low latency so that I can be able to stream on YouTube. So please, guys, make sure to head your way onto YouTube so you can see what I'm displaying there, right? We're just going to do the voice here inside of the Discord trading team. What is up, team? Welcome back to the channel. And I gotta say, man, look at the freaking upside that is happening right now as Roaring Kitty decides out of freaking nowhere, right, to do this little number. So those of you that don't understand what's going on, right, Roaring Kitty is the person who brought up GME's topics back in 3 years ago, man. He was the person to say that this was likely to make some moves to the upside, right? He bought it in at around what, like $3, $2, whatever that was, used around $53,000 to get his position going and did his thing all the way up to $500. He left in his hands still 280,000 shares from that moment, right? He realized everything else except for those shares. He continued to sell his covered calls, made more and more money on that, right? Then now he's re-releasing his massive position on his options and shares. You guys, there is something really curious going on because at here, guys, this is $45 as you're seeing. We just hit $47. Roaring History and Roaring Kitty guys, he's in the money, $25. What the fuck is going on? June 21st, expiries. June 21st, guy, yeah. June 21st expiries, $20 strikes. He is up $26 in the money. Guys, that's, what is that? What is it? This thing hits $70. He's a billionaire is what they're saying, right? If it hits 75 or $70, this guy is a billionaire. That means that he had done turned $53,000 into a fucking billion. Damn. That is no joke. That is 100% powerful as all hell, man. So, oh man. So let me just go ahead and bring you back into here, right? I'm pretty stoked over what's going on, you guys. So we are literally witnessing history yet again, right? This is absolutely powerful. Price action came up to these levels. What did we say yesterday, though, right? What was the plan yesterday? Did we talk about these targets? Yes or no? I want to know immediately right now. So, wait, no, stop it. I'm going to just bring it to you right here. Check this out. The price action is sitting at a top of 47.46. The Arca Bulls team yesterday, when we were at $32, told you we were going to run to what is that target right there? Let's go ahead and just move it a little bit to the side right over here. What is that looking like? And where are you right now? My goodness in heaven. Did we nail that fucking target or did we not? Let's go. Yet again, the Arca Bulls team comes through for the family, you guys. I absolutely love it. We had a $47.40 top. We just nailed 47.46, man. I don't know what to do. But to tell you to make sure to come on by and hang with us, right? Guys, throw those A's in the chat right away if you can hear my voice. Throw the fucking A's in the chat if you can hear the voice right there. Check out DJ saying the GOAT. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Ian Tucker, I see you in there, man. Thank you, everybody, for coming on by. Andres Rico, what's up, buddy? Smash that like button. Thank you, guys. Make sure to hit that fucking like button right away. Subscribe to the channel. Let's make sure we get retail in here, man. Damn. Let's go, you guys. Let's go. Guys, if you I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I'm thinking, look at the time right now, right? We're about 6 minutes out from the after hours trading. What does that mean? That means that price action is likely to see upside without any halts. Did you just hear what I said? Usually you get the halts intraday, right? We're about to potentially unfold price action towards a massive upside in the after hours. I'm not saying that it is going to happen. I'm just telling you that usually price action tends to run in the pre-market just like it did back here. Let's take a look. All right, I'm going to bring it to your attention right now so that you're able to see what I mean. Check this out. The last time we ran, this was the $80 target. What time was that? This was inside of the pre-market, guys. We ran up to $80 in the pre-market. That means that we're doing after hours trading top ends, right? Yes, it can still run higher during the intraday. Yes, of course. But there are limitations to running price to the upside while we are during the traditional trading market hours, right? But if you know the tricks to the trade, then you know that there are no halts, right? Currently, guys, this is the first time I'm going to go ahead and just display full transparency, right? I am long the stock. And currently my position is up about, the position right now is just up about 12.33% and running, looking pretty fucking good. Looking pretty damn good. So for those of you who are thinking, well, I'm going to go ahead and buy around here. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm not going to tell you that it's not going to go to, I can't say that. What I can tell you is that the targets that we've gotten thus far have been dead on. Will it continue to the upside? I personally, I'm going to just give it to you like an entertainer, right? I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your CPA or CFA. I'm not certified. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, right? But we were able to nail our targets now for I don't know how many weeks straight. Why is that though? Right? That makes you wonder, do we have somebody in the inside? Is Arca secretly roaring kitty? Fuck no, I'm not. I'm really not. So, what I can tell you is that we're going to use... We could just said that I'm a certified killer. Let's go, man. Let's go. Samuel Martin, what is up, dude? Yeah, man, it sounds like they're going to do that again, right, dude? DJ calling me Roaring Arca. Kill confirmed, CoinFox. Let's go, buddy. Right. So let's use it again just like we did yesterday, guys. Now, remember when I spoke to you about 2 days ago, I was telling you about the Picasso of candles. Who remembers me telling you about the Picasso of candles? Right? So, if it is the fact that we're getting these Picasso of candles, I told you take a look at your Heikinashi candles and see what posts. What does that look like? I told you guys that I don't like this formation, but we are in the premise of a freaking cup and handle. We mentioned this about 2 days ago, and that's where it is. Now, why don't we do this? Let's measure the target. Are we going to measure that target? That's right, Aaron. That's right, DJ. Are we going to measure this target? Man, let's get the measured move and find out where we're going, right? Let's take a look. All right. We're going to take the top end of the cup, right? All right. And then we're going to draw this massive trend line from the top of the cup all the way to the bottom side, right? Let me make sure that I have enough space to draw that line in there, right? We're also going to make it real thick so that everyone can see this. Let's make it neon green too, right? Super huge. All right. Make sure that we're not cheating, right? We're going to get down to that low of that candle. Okay. Now, put your guesses in. I want to know in the chat who's going to guess the upside on this fucking play. Let me know your targets right away. Let me know your targets right away for this fuck. Okay. All right. Italian Beef is saying 500. Guys, I'm sorry. I have this thing on in ultra latency. Ultra low latency. I can't believe I'm getting these replies that fast, right? Chris giving me 90. Aaron giving me 129. Uncle Drew 108. Okay. Keep on guessing them. Right. Yabu putting 85. Okay. DJ 128. All right. The Bud Spot giving me 125. RN 60. Niz giving me 68. All right, Michael giving me 1.5K. Damn. Jason Harden, 217. Right. Q. 8th all-time high. All right. Turbo giving me 108. All right. Otis, 109. Diego, 150. Okay, good guesses. Cryptic Trader giving me 5. I think he means $5.50, actually, right? $5.49. CoinFox says 123. CoinFox, you're being answered for right here, buddy. You validate that. All right, DevWriter 100. ESR 69. Let's see what's up. Gal 420. Guys, Gar 220. Those are good guesses, man. I'm not going to lie. 92. CoinFox. DevWriter 100. Gal 420. Intra 90. All right. We got a 420 in there. 269. 40,000. Robert is giving me. I think Robert's going to take the fucking cake here, you guys. He's giving me a $40,000 target. My goodness, man. If this thing went to $40,000, I promise you, having 50 shares will make you loaded. Right, so Wicked giving me 88 right here, man. We have a 325 coming in. Tex, what is up, man? You told me yesterday it's going to be, guys, I asked what the target is. Tex just said strip club. All right, so that's that's what's happening right now. The market just closed. Where did it close? Where did it close? It closed at 39.22. All right, man. All right. Let's go ahead and put in that target right now and find out how high this strategy could go. Look at what's happening. Look where the target is now. It's $47. Look what's happening. All right. Usually these things tend to run a little harder in the after hours. Why? Because there's no fucking halts. Let's go. Oh, Gar is saying he's going to buy a strip club. Oh, dude. Let's fucking go. I absolutely love it, man. Destiny giving me a target of about $120. Let's measure it now and see where it's going, right? You take that trend line from the very bottom side, right? Like this, bottom side to neck, and apply it to the top side of your cup, and let's see what it does, right? This is taking you to a freaking $94 target. Just this formation here. Right? It's a massive formation. But wait. This is a shorter time frame formation. Are you guys ready for me to display to you something else? Because we get clever here. We get real fucking clever here. If you just move this slightly into larger time frames like this, like a 3-day, right? Let me get rid of the moving averages and display something to you here. If you display this as a 3-day or even a 4-day, well, you have something called a bull flag. This right here is called a bull flag. So let's see which time frame is going to be the one to use, right? We could use this as a major bull flag right here, you guys. Of course, the resistance is going to be at around $80, but in the intraday price, it's going to land at about $64, right? Okay, let's find out what that target is going to be based on the bull flag now. That is a different target. It is a higher target. All right, let's go ahead and measure it. How do you measure the bull flag? This is how you do it. Make sure to take a trend line from the top end of the bull flag all the way to the bottom, right? Just like this here. Take a look at the size of this trend line now and take a look at the cup and handle target. All right, which by the way, just like we did yesterday, we decided actually on two geometric means that we were going to use the 272 and the 618 targets. All right. Look at the price action on that cup and handle right at the 50% in between the one spot 618 and the one spot 272 looking pretty good. That's between 125 and 73. Okay. Now let's figure out the top side on that bull flag. So the way that you do this is that you take that top end, right, trend line all the way to the bottom, apply it to the top of the highest candle. Now you're looking at that target there. Holy shit. That's a lot of upside, guys. I'm not saying that it's going there. I'm just telling you that that is part of how you trade a bull flag, right? Okay. So make sure to fucking be careful out there or else you're going to get your ass handed to. Now let's take a look at where it's landing. It's landing right at the 2 fib at about 228. But I want to take into consideration a shorter time frame Fibonacci extension. How about we take the day's close, right? Right here. It's the same area. Let's take a Fibonacci retracement from the day's closure top or the day's high to that bottom side of that bull flag. Let's see if we are geometrically rhyming. Okay, let's take a look, just like we did yesterday, right? Okay, and there it is. Check it out. Of course, we're coming up to the 618 targets, just like we spoke of yesterday again. Guys, now take a look at the one spot 618 at $88. Guys, oh my goodness, man. Usually when price expands, it tends to go into multiple time frames of average true range to the upside, especially on plays that become like these plays, right? So we just opened up the new monthly candle. Okay, actually, you know what? Let me just do this here for you. Let's make sure to mark our targets off so that we're all in the clear, right? Here's your target, right, for the bull flag. So we're gonna mark it off just like this. There's the confluence, right, at the two spot 618. Here's the confluence at the one spot 618. Pretty fucking nice. All right. Now, what did we say yesterday we were bouncing out of? That's fucking right. We were bouncing out of the fucking golden pocket, and that's usually the area where we're able to take a huge spring to the upside. Guys, was it right or was it right? It's whatever it is, guys. If it wasn't for fucking Roaring Kitty speaking, yeah, it wouldn't have happened. But the fucking math is saying that it's going to happen. I don't know, man. He saw it. Did he see the 618? Did he see the golden pocket? Does he know? I don't know. I don't know, man. Double X, you want a fucking wrench? I'm going to give you a wrench right now. Double X, what is up, my brother? Double X has got a fucking wrench right now, man. Okay, here's another thing. Why do you see a bunch of wrenches in here? Have you guys ever wondered that? There's a bunch of wrenches in here because motherfuckers are trying to stop me from continuing these live streams. But I say, fuck that shit. I make everybody a wrench who's a true fan, who's a true Arca Bulls trader team, and they're gonna ban that motherfucker when they try to come and step in and try to get this shit out of balance. Fuck that. We stay. So I made all the homies wrenches. Right? They're not gonna shut me up. I don't give a shit. We're gonna continue getting louder and fucking louder. What's up? Fuck them. So this is why we made everybody a fucking wrench, man, because they were coming in here. They were spamming the shit out of my thing, man. They were making sure nobody was able to say anything, but we said, fuck that. We're going to make everybody a fucking wrench. Let's see you come through now, boy. And it stopped. And it fucking stopped. They're never going to shut me up. Boy, don't you fuck with me, man. Let's go. All right. Now we got our upside targets. I had to just give you that little I had to give you that little story right there, man, because it's ridiculous. Because it's truly ridiculous, man. You ain't gonna stop me, man. I don't give a shit who you are. I'm gonna keep on talking. I'm gonna say what I want when I want. That's how it is. That's how it is, man. So I don't care. Let's go. Now, if we're gonna figure these targets here, I'm gonna take you into the monthly. Why? Because the monthly just closed. It's absolutely important. Senor Pennington is absolutely saying, man, make sure to hit that freaking like button right now. I need you to violate that subscribe button, right, so that we can get more traders to understand how to trade the institutional way. And you know what? More importantly, so that we can get more long traders who don't understand how to trade the short thesis like the way a short fucking does. Why? Because I am a short bias trader, right? You guys hear this from me all the fucking time. And I will say it again and again. I'm going to give you the short bias because I am a short and I fucking hate what the capital markets have done to the little guy, right? The little guy can't figure out how to fucking trade. You got to buckle up. You got to bring the discipline. You got to start reading. You got to start studying. Yes. But where's that gateway? Where's that portal? You can find it here with the Arca Bulls trading team. You could absolutely find it here with us. Guys, I'm going to give you that short thesis because that's how it runs. I want you to know what the resistance levels are. How else do you think we were able to call the top side today at 44.70? How do you think I was able to do that? Because as a short fucking seller, I'm shorting you there. I'm going to short you there. But I'm not going to play the short on a meme stock. You'd be an idiot. In other words, I'm trying to say that, like, if you're short this stock, you probably shouldn't be. You probably should get out. That's how we were able to nail those fucking targets that tight. Because I would short right there. I was trained by a short seller not knowing that I was short selling. I didn't know what stock trading was. But I was being trained in a short bias. And guess the edge that it gave us when I started really learning what we fucking do here. That gave me the edge to show retail just like the ones, just like me, you guys, I lost all my fucking money in AMC, right? So I started learning everything from Ken Griffin. I instantly found quantitative trading. I found algorithmic trading. I found systematic trading, and that's who I became. And that's what I want you to become too. Right? This time around, it's not like February 2021. We have a different breed of traders now. Now, motherfucker, with Arca Bulls trading team, you're fighting algorithm against algorithm. You're not trading the psychology against retail traders the way you did in 2021. Fuck no, we are here. We are here. We fucking trained this entire time. We became algorithmic, and now we're building our own HFT. We're building our own high-frequency trade systems as we speak, bringing in percentages larger, and I'm not kidding when I tell you this, I am bringing percentages larger than Warren Buffett did in his greatest time and the fucking Medallion Fund. Mark my fucking words, you're going to see that algorithm out there in a short amount of time because now the investors are coming into the Arca Bulls trading team. Hush that shit. You're going to see it live, and we're going to be the biggest motherfuckers to bring the return back to retail. Retail is going to benefit from this shit. And that's how it fucking goes. Why? Because we became wise. We became smart. We know how to trade that shit now. Let's go. That's right. Senor Pennington, muy chingon, right? And now more than anything, yeah, it's a brown guy. I am absolutely a brown dude, man. So if my family inside of the Arca Bulls trading team, they know, right? I even think Jackie Lutitz is brown too, right? Is he? Cryptic Trader is absolutely right. Pinche mojado. You already know it, man. Let's go. All right, you guys, now that we have the different breed speaking the freaking truth over here, I want to make sure that you do join the fucking Arca Bulls trading team, right? Make sure to hit that. Make sure to hit that freaking link. Copy it on your phone right now. I'm giving you, guys, there was too many requests coming in, so I'm going to extend it a little bit here for you guys. Make sure to copy that link to get the first time ever Lifeline membership here. It's called the Lifeline for a reason. I'll tell you later why it's called that. But this is the first time, just like starting from last night, that I'm offering a lifetime membership for a one-time fee forever. Make sure to hit that fucking link. Make sure to join the Arca Bulls trading team. I want to see you there tomorrow. No fucking excuses. We were able to trade this shit. We were able to look at the upside and the downside live. How did that happen? Right? Because we did it yesterday here. I gave you the targets. I told you to take a screenshot. You did. You followed the targets and you won today. Imagine what it would have been like if you were there with me live. Guys, my team got over 300% gainers on some of those individual people. I'm talking individuals. Because we're able to look at price at a different way. Hit that fucking link. No excuses. I want to see you there tomorrow. Let's go ahead and make sure to observe the financial markets now. Let's take a look at it, guys. Where is the price action sitting right now on GME? Sitting at $46.30. We are not letting go of that top side. That is 100% powerful. OG members of Discord, do not hit that link. My OG members, my grandfather's in there, do not hit that link. I love you guys. Thank you so much for coming on by. Make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Now let's continue. I'm going to go ahead and just mute a couple channels in here, guys. Sorry about that. All right. We're looking good. Now, let's post the continuation. I need to go over volatility and momentum. But first of all, let's go to the monthly like we said. Roaring Kitty's birthday is June 8th. Is it really? Guys, tomorrow, you know it's going to be fucking wild. It's going to be fucking wild. Right? Know that he's going to be streaming tomorrow at this time. Right? He's going to be streaming here in 19 hours tomorrow. Look at the attention that's happening right now. Remember when I spoke yesterday and I told you that now I'm starting to see mainstream media. I'm starting to hear the freaking guy at the gas station. I'm starting to hear the freaking dude in wherever else in the liquor store, random areas. I spoke to you that shit pops off when that starts happening, right? Look what's happening to the price right now as this guy comes and announces that. It's freaking incredible. All right, you guys? So I want to make sure that you're safe out in the financial markets. Let's make sure to get this thing done. Arca, do I think that Bitcoin is crashing because of this? No. I think that Bitcoin is pulling back because it's ran fucking $5,000 in like a day. Right? Right? Oh my goodness, man. So let's go. Let's take a look. It's okay. Daughter, it's okay. Sometime, right? Daughters first. Sometimes it's okay to take those gains, wait for the pullback, re-enter, let it rip. Samantha H saying, Arca, my 82-year-old dad mentioned Roaring Kitty this morning. I spat out my coffee. Guys, that's you see what I mean? You see what I mean? Joe. Oh my goodness. Yes. Let's go. Hey, Joe, thank you so much. Joe is saying, Arca, can you go over the price targets for tomorrow? You nailed it. And we're going to keep on fucking nailing them, guys. Make sure to come on by and let's observe this now. I'm going to take a look at the monthly time frame here for GME. Let's get rid of the drawings, right? And observe what's happening now. Okay. There's a lot of room left on this monthly, right? But I want to remind you, why did we think that we were going to go to the upside? Make sure to hit that fucking like button right now. Why did we think that we were going to go to the upside? First of all, there's a trifecta going on in here that not a lot of people are looking at. Not a lot of people notice this. And I'm going to give you more and more things that not a lot of people notice because we have a lot of, in reality, it's no offense to anyone, we just have a lot of amateurs. We have a lot of people not really understanding. My team, thank you so much for your donos. Danielle, Jay, thank you so much. RJS, love you guys. I really appreciate you. I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. Thank you guys. You are noticing here a bullish engulfing candle formation. What is that? When the green body engulfs the prior red body, that becomes a bullish engulfing. Right? Now, you have an outside green body bar outside of the prior red one. Formation number 2. Right? You have a bullish buy formation here. This is usually and of course your inverted hammer. Right? Huge amounts of things located just within 2 candles that not a lot of people can see. But what if I can show you even more? Because this usually suggests that we continue to the upside. If you guys remember, I told you, we're going to find a 50% pullback at the opening of the next monthly candle, and that is likely to be found anywhere between $28 to $26. And what did we hit? The low down here came down to $25.20. We nailed the downside on this, and we bounced the upside just like we said. That's typical behavior for price action. Now, where does it go? Where does it go? How about this? Let's go even further out to areas where no one is for real looking. This is your annual chart. Every single candle takes a year to complete. And this cluster of candles is a very, very, very famous formation. One of the most common ones in the trading market. I'm sorry, in anything. Forex, futures, currencies, bonds, crypto, equities, everything. Everything. Now, this has a measured move. Bull flags you can measure to potentially identify where the top target could be. We said yesterday that we were already building an outside green body bar engulfing the prior red bar, right? Tweezer bottom. It's also engulfing the prior red bar. Guys, I'm going to continue, and it's in the formation of a bull flag within a cup and handle inside of the smaller time frame, within a smaller freaking bull flag inside of a smaller time frame. Can you imagine all of those formations built in this one candle that's building this massive macro formation? That's how we look at it in the Arca Bulls trading team. We look at that shit from the very, very minute time frames all the way up to the top to identify every single potential edge that retail can take advantage of. We will know every fucking target. Nothing will escape it. Nothing will. Well, look, guys, if you're hiding the fucking Cheerios under the damn rug, we're going to find them. We're going to know. Double X saying Rory Kitty going to be ejercicio mañana. You know what he's saying? Ejercicio. That means exercise. What does he mean by exercise, Double X? He means that this guy is probably going to exercise his contracts live. What does exercise mean on a contract? When you buy a call option, which is why everybody's going so nuts, right? Everybody's going so nuts because this guy has 120,000 options, call options with a $20 strike expiring in June 21st. Guys, he has all the time in the world to freaking hang him by the neck. Okay? They're all in the money, and they're all in the money right now at this dollar price. He's $26 in the money each fucking contract. What is that equivalent to? Is that 12 million shares? 18 million shares? That's deep ass in the money, guys. He's up heavily. Somebody just said that they actually uploaded his new portfolio. Joe, tell me what he's up. Let me get the dollar value. Post it in the chat right now. Let me know what that value is. Chris Love saying, any thoughts on that new Texas exchange, the Wild West of exchanges? Use this SS for the Lego fund. My brother, thank you so much. Yeah. The TXSE. The Texas Stock Exchange. The Lone Star State. They are saying that they're going to build a new stock exchange there. Okay, some thoughts. Could it be that they're trying to collapse the NYSE so that it's no longer valid there, so that we build inside of Texas outside of the implemented rules that are within the bounds of the state? Thought of that? They could stay away. They could stay away from every rule that they were bound to simply by moving the freaking stock exchange into another place. Interesting, right? That's 100% ridiculous. Heads up on that, Chris. I'm not even sure that retail's going to follow him there, man. I feel like retail's going to take over the NYSE and just make that shit run. Oh, boy. Paradox. Oh, my goodness. Okay, Paradox is telling us that Roaring Kitty right now is sitting at $586 million to the upside, guys. A lot of people were speculating that that's not his money. Guys, I can bet it's not. I can bet it's not his money, right? If he was worth anywhere between 80 to $100 million, let's just say that he partnered himself with maybe 4 or 5 other dudes also worth 8 figures. And they created an institution called Geode Capital. Well, if your net worth alone is 8 figures and there's 5 of you, what do you think the leverage could be on an institution like that? If he were worth $80 million, his 4x leverage on a normal account, a normal brokerage like Interactive Brokers, his normal leverage would be 4 times. That's what? That is $320 million by himself. Imagine that he started his fund with 4 friends or 3 other friends. Well, it appears as though he could be managing about $1 billion, right? So yes, he has the leverage to pull off a position that big. Somebody said when we were trading at around $20, if Roaring Kitty did what he did with $53,000, what do you think he'd be able to do with this money? Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. So, does that mean that Joe is asking this? Does that mean that the market makers need to buy 12 million shares at the price of $100? Market maker needs to buy 12 million shares at the price of $100 is what he's asking? Well, if we're trading at 100, yeah. So here's the thing. This is what a lot of people don't really understand too much. If you were to exercise your shares at whatever price we're in, you're going to yes, remove 100 shares per contract. So 100 shares per contract times the 120,000 contracts, 12 million shares. 12 million shares sold at what price did he exercise? We don't know where he's going to exercise. If he did right now, they would have to buy it at the lit market price, at whatever price he decides, because that is his God-given right and legal right to exercise at wherever he wants while he's in the bounds of the contractual agreement. The agreement states that he would be expired by June 21st. So if he's trading, let's say that the asset goes to $120. We're at $120 and he decides to exercise his right to buy all 12 million at $20 because that's where his strike price is. $20 per share. $20 per share. He gets the upside. $20 to 108 is the profit margin for him. Right? And the market makers, whoever else, they're buying it at that price instantly, the moment that he says it. Here's the thing. It's not going to be filled instantly. That's the problem. Now, it's not necessarily a problem because if it were to be filled at that exact moment, price action would rocket ship to the upside, yes. But that's the unfortunate truth here. It's not going to be filled right at that moment. We are likely going to see blocks of 500 to 1,000 shares being purchased day after day as soon as they become available, quote unquote. They're going to do everything in their power to make sure that the registered shares are the ones that he's getting filled, are the ones that they're purchasing back, right? So as everyone trades this in and out, I can already assume they're going to try to locate them. I don't know if they have the technology enough to identify a naked share versus a real share when dumped into the pool so recklessly like they're doing or like they have been doing. Okay? I don't know that number. I can't speculate on that number. Right? I can't speculate on that number because we don't have a solid number on that. Titty Sprinkles, are we getting a pullback? There's always a pullback. There will always be a pullback. If it's a flash candle, if it's a flash wick to the downside, there will always be one. Let's get the targets here for both AMC and GME. Let's measure the annual formation. Let me show you how. This is how it goes. Take a trend line just like this, apply it to the top of the bull flag. You bring it all the way back down to the bottom of the bull flag. Then you apply this to the top end. You can already see that we did one time, so I'm going to spare you the time, right? Just like that. I can't tell you that it is going there, team. I can't tell you that it's going to go there. It's just what it's saying. Guys, I don't know that they can do that, but if they did that, mathematically speaking, this is a fucking $3 trillion play. I don't know. This is absolutely insane. Guys, for us to identify numbers of this caliber, okay, I'm just not going to say the number out loud, so I'm just going to type it in there for you, okay? The 3 spot 272 to the 4 spot 618 golden mean, like we said earlier, that we're going to use only the 272 and the 618 targets. Here it is again, and again, and again. That target is what? I'm going to type it in here for you so that you could just kind of see what it is zoomed in. I am not saying that it's going there. I am telling you that mathematics would make sense in a geometric form and and also within a psychological form. It makes sense in that manner. It doesn't make sense financially. It makes sense with fraud, sure. It makes sense with failure to FTDs, right? Your failures to delivers, of course. It makes sense with synthetics, of course. I don't know that number. So I can't tell you that this is for sure. But I can speculate with you. And I know that brings a lot of attention into this. Usually the bet is that it's not going to go there. But then again, 580 was also a bet that it wasn't going to go there either from $3. Making an asset move 8,000% to the upside takes a great deal of volume and a great deal of pressure, right? Wicked is saying, please be right. Oh my goodness, man. Guys, Mark Roach is telling me right now that we are about to break into 9,000 subscribers in YouTube. Thank you all so much for all of your support. Thank you all so much for continuing the support on the Arca Bulls brand. We're going to continue bringing this to you guys. What the heck, man? Is that real? Oh my goodness, guys. Come on, man. Let's go. Senor Pennington saying netted a cool $250 million today. Currently up 219% on the entire position. Roaring Kitties position. This is what Senor Pennington is sharing with us right now. Let's go to AMC. Let's take a look at what those potential top targets could be. All right. So very, 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 very similar type of formation here. In fact, we identified in the last few days that there was an inverse head and shoulders forming, right? This is your shoulder. This is your head. And let's go ahead and draw that neckline because we are right at the resistance of it. Let's go ahead and name it just like this, right? Just like we did the other asset. Take your trend line, right? From the middle, that neckline on top, all the way to the bottom side of your wick, the head, right? All the way to the bottom. When you apply this trend line to the top of your right hand shoulder, you get a top side target of about, let me just make sure that I can adjust it right in this. Come on, man. What's going on here? You're getting about $8.21. Okay. Now, what are we going to do as far as an immediate short-term time frame validation of this top side? Well, let's do this. Let's take advantage of an immediate short-term fib retracement. Let's use the fibs again. Here we go. Like I said, we're not going to use anything other than the 272s and the 618s. $8.21 confluent to the 2-spot 272 at 836. What does that do for us? That gives us a range. That's going to be your range right over here. Take a look at this. $8.35 to $9.17 at the 2-spot 618. And why is that confluent here? Well, take a look at this 12-hour candle's top. Bam, right there. You're looking at the confluent top right here. Outstanding. Everything is fucking rhyming right here, and we're absolutely gonna make this shit to the upside. Guys, I just got fucking news that the Arca Bulls team hit a massive 9,000 subscribers as we speak right now. Let's fucking go. I love it, guys. Thank you so much for all of your support and your continuation. Double X is saying, Arca, Feliz Navidad, my brother. I love it, my dude. Thank you so much. Let's continue the analysis here and identify what our top ends are going to be, just like we did yesterday. We nailed every single fucking target. Yes, you asked me about 80. Yes, you asked me about 90 and even 100, and we even said 1,500. But I said 38 to 47 because that's what we're doing mathematically. This is what we do. We are consistent, we are disciplined, and we make sure to put at least that when we're being fucking degens in the chat, right? Let's fucking get it. Let's continue. Let's identify the top end targets right here. Guys, there's about 440 people watching. Make sure to fucking rape that like button immediately. Subscribe to the channel. I want to see you there in the trading team fucking tomorrow. No excuses. Hit that freaking link right here because this is one of the only times that I'm going to give you access to this fucking lifetime membership. Hit it one time. We're going to observe this live and we're going to make hundreds and hundreds of percents just like we did today, just like we did yesterday. Hold on. The day before yesterday. Wait up. The whole fucking week and last. Let's do it together. Hit that fucking link with your camera. Make sure to see. I'm going to see you there and you better not be making any excuses. Let's get this done tonight. So Arca, is GME going end of day tomorrow though? Is it going to 90? Well, we're going to continue observing. And guess what? We're going to put out a thread of analysis again. Let's do it. Okay. We have the confluence here. We're going to figure this all out. We're doing it grain by grain. All right. We're going to notice what the expansion is. We're going to see what the mathematics are saying because that's how our edge is happening. Chris Love, thank you so much, my brother, giving me a dono for 9,000 subs, 440 watching, 140 likes. Make sure, man. Let's go. Let's go. That's a Lego fun, bro. I love it. Thank you guys for coming on out. Let's make sure to do this again. Okay. If we're going to continue now on this upside, the $9.17 is absorbing now the 2-spot 618 Fibonacci ratio. It's making sense geometrically. Now, let me get away from this bottom side because we already done loaded that bottom and made ourselves 300, 400% today. We out. Next one. What is next for this asset? Well, let's go ahead and display to you two major signs that no one, I promise you, no one is looking at, but we are. And I'm going to put it public here because that's how much I don't give a shit. Even if you're not in the Arca Bulls trading team, you're going to get my honest opinion, but you're just not going to see it happen with me, right? But here it goes. Check this out. This is your golden pocket right in here between the knot 618 and the knot 382 Fibonacci ratio. Where did we bounce from today? That's right. We bounced right from that golden pocket, sprung to the upside, just like we did GME. Now, the other thing that no one is taking a look at is the larger bounce. How am I able to identify a larger bounce, you say? Let's get rid of that golden pocket because we already saw that shit with our eyes closed. Let's go ahead and take a look at this now. What about this? We said that between the knot 382 and the knot 618 is a golden pocket, right? Where is the price action right now? That's fucking right. We are right at the pocket. We are right in that freaking gooch, man. We're at the knot 0.5 at the 50% retrace, and we are getting ready to bounce. Look at the candle. Look what it did, right? Opened up that 12-hour candle. It retraced where? To the knot 0.5, and it bounced, and it's going up. What do we call this? That's right. This is your macro spring. This is how we're able to identify the upper bound targets. In between the 3 spot 618 and the 4 spot 236 is the all-time high at 1330, 1340, whatever the shit that was, right? Now, if we're going to continue to the upside on numbers greater than those, because we assumed that there could be upside here based on GME, I get it, right? Let's look left. Where was price action once upon a time? Let's do it. Okay, there's our June run. $69 top, post-split, price action now at $416, right? Reggie Dog, word up, gangsters. Let's go. So, can price action reach that? Sure. I don't know. I can't fucking tell you that, but it looks like it could be possible based on GMA's movement. It's a sympathy play. They run together. That's what they do. Whether the fact that they're going to fucking dilute here, I don't know. I can't speculate on that because I don't know when he's going to do it, if he's going to do it again. But I see it running in tandem. That's what I do see. I see expansion happening in the immediate short-term time frame using linear volatility. What is this here? Linear volatility. What the fuck are you talking about, Arca? You're saying all this bullshit over here that I don't understand. Well, I'm going to give it to you very simple. Linear volatility. This is displaying the disbursement of returns. This is telling us that if it expands, more people are buying and or shorting. That means that transactions are starting to speed up. That means that the frequency of transactions is starting to tighten. That means that we're going faster and faster with transactions, up or down. What gives you the bias for direction, though? What can you use to give you a direction? Because this is not directional. Volatility is direction neutral. So what do you use? Stochastic fucking momentum. What way is that pivoted? What way is that shit pivoted? Right? I'm not making shit up right here. I'm not gonna tell you something that's not the fucking truth, but something fucking tells me right now that this shit is pivoted towards the motherfucking upside like that. You know? Let's go. So this is now a 12-hour signal suggesting the continuation to the upside, you guys. I'm not going to give it to you unless it's mathematical. I'm not going to give it to you unless it matches. If this thing says downside, I'm going to tell you downside. If this says upside, I'm going to fucking give you upside. I don't give a shit what the chart says. I don't give one hell what it says. I am not a biased trader like that. If this thing is saying downside, I'm going to be right here in front of your face telling you it's going to take a shit in your face. But right now, it's not saying that, so I'm not going to do it. So, congratulations to you, man. All right, here we go. Now, let's identify the monthly candle, just like we did on GME. What is it saying to us? What is it saying? Let me make sure that my son is over there. I need to make sure this guy's cooling, right? I know he's going to come in here. Daddy, you cooling? You okay? You okay? You're yelling at people online. He's 4 years old. He doesn't know nothing, right? So we're going to take a look at him. Make sure that the little guy is doing okay, right? Wish I could get in the Discord. Debbie, make sure to come on by. There is not only that one, right? Come by on the Discord. Guys, let me get a because we do have a different, I mean, listen, I still hear the people in the free chat as well. I'm going to give you here that link, okay? That's where you make the decision to hit the server shop and start your monthly subscription here with the Arca Bulls trading team. That once in a lifetime lifeline that I'm giving right now, right? This one over here, this is not the only way to get in. This is also a way to get in. Make sure to hit that link in the chat and you'll be able to come on by and make the decision whether you want to pay the one-time fee that I'm not going to keep active for too long, right? I'm going to limit this to a fucking number. So just make sure to make your math. Do it the way you want it to. I just want it to make sense for you. All right? Let's go ahead and continue on the analysis here and see what's up. Let's get rid of the drawing, man. Let's go. Great criminal racketeering coming into Texas, right? It sounds like it, man. I'm not going to lie. It does sound like it. All right. So, let's see. Away, bro. AMC targets, man. Let's get them. Here we go. So, we have price action continuing to the upside on what signal? Very similar, right? Very similar to what we were observing in GME. Yes. You have the green outside bar, bullish engulfing, right? Inverted hammer, continuation. Massive, massive, massive continuation signals here. This could very well be some type of V-shaped recovery. The top end, yes, we know it's 1330. Okay, now let's go to the immediate short-term time frame. I just wanted to make sure that you knew what the reason is behind an upside. There is also a technical reason for it. Top boy, fuck no, you're dope, man. Thank you so much for coming on by, and make sure to hit that like button, buddy. All right, let's continue this shit and let's see what's going on. Let's go back to the 4-hour time frame and start observing the immediate short-term time frames, right? We're going to gather here the play for tomorrow for both of these assets. Okay, now please remember that we were already looking at the short-term time frame into this target here. Let's validate it. Okay, so we have a daily average true range mathematically telling us that we would go up about 76 cents, right? Price action is sitting at 575 right now. So if we're sitting at 575, 30 cents is going to be 605, right? Then you have an additional 30 cents is going to be your 630s, right? Do we have anything around 630? Well, we kind of do. We have the one spot 272. We said we're not going to use anything else other than the 272 and the 618s. We're already reaching one daily ATR at the area of $6.40. What happens there? Price action likely makes an upside like this, okay? Let's go ahead and see what's up. Continuation to this guy. First of all, I'm gonna let you know something here. First of all, I don't know if price action is gonna fucking literally explode at Euro Open tonight. That's gonna be 1 a.m. PST. That's gonna be 4 a.m. Eastern time, 3 a.m. Central. When Euro opens, and they already know that this is happening, that Roaring Kitty's going to be streaming tomorrow. If they find out, they may rally this shit to a new target. So if they rally this, and this turns new resistances into support, let's say, for example, they run this shit to $7, or they take our target of the 836 and then bring this back down to $7, that means that we may see an opportunity to open the day at 702. Then we're going to do something called a gap and go. Okay, this is not going to be something like a gap fill reversal. It would be a gap and go. So that means that we come back down to the prior day's close, post-market close, whatever it is, validate supports there. Once that validation is done, we continue to the upside. Okay, now that's going to be the time where shit gets real, because the American markets is where this resides. If we see this type of upside in the euro, I know that you're going to be up at motherfucking 3 a.m. watching that fucking price. I know you are. You're a fucking DJ. I saw you. I saw you from over here. I'm throwing my fucking sandal at your face immediately. All right? Captain Daddy, what is good? Right? So, because me fucking too. All right? So let's go. So what's going to happen here, man? We're going to resist. We're going to come back down. They're going to do their fuckery. Shit's going to get insane. All right? It's going to get wicked up in here, man. So if this thing's going to ride up, it's going to be based on sentiment. This is a complete fucking joke. This is insane. It shouldn't even be happening. It's outside of traditional trading rules. It's outside of everything normal. Right? This is literally froth land. This is all fucking fantasy land. And it's probably going to take you to the fucking moon. So be careful. I don't want you to lose your damn money, and make sure to be in the Arca Bulls trading team to observe it. All right. So if we're gonna catch the upside, guys, there is a potential that we can get this thing, guys. I you know what? Based on the thesis that we spoke of the last time, man, somebody was saying, dude, you think that we're gonna make the upside here based on some dude named Roaring Kitty putting up a picture on his Twitter? I said, dude, that picture up on Twitter means a great deal to those who have been holding and fucking bagged out for 3 years. That means a huge deal to the OG apes for GME and AMC. So I said, yeah, this motherfucker's gonna run fucking big. And the next day it ran to 80. Guys, I don't even know what's gonna happen the moment that Roaring Kitty says I like the stock. If this motherfucker slightly farts on the fucking mic, this thing is probably gonna go. And it's gonna go. And it's probably gonna go, right? So I need you to be very aware over those prices. Guys, if we open up tomorrow, still within the areas of about 580, 578, this is your play. We are observing here a potential top end between 640 and the one spot 618 at 702. We pull back to validate our close, which could be at around 580. This 580 validates, we continue to the upside, and we may start to consolidate within the areas of about 702 to the lower bound of right about here, 659. If we get that 659 validation, which is your one spot 272, confluent to this gap over here on the 4-hour time frame, perfectly to that 272. Let me just make that line right there so that you can see that I'm not fucking lying. I'm gonna make it real thick for you so that in case you're blind as fuck, you're about to see it as fuck. Here you go. Look at this. There's that fucking line right there. Here it is, man. Let's make it even thicker so that you can see it. Here we go. Bam. The gap fucking bottom is the one spot 272. We'll catch that damn support. This thing will probably rip and continue to the upside into the after hours tomorrow. Why? Because there's that limitation. I'm going to tell you again what that limitation is. A lot of the times, price action rips. And it rips in the after hours, and you're saying to yourself, damn, I wish I would have caught it in the after hours. I know. GME ran to $80 at fucking 5 a.m. my time. Markets don't even open until 6:30. What the fuck is it doing there? Well, if we know the rules, if we know how price action tends to behave, you will know that there are no halts inside of that post-market activity. When that bell rings at the end of the day, all bets are fucking on. And that shit can rip wherever it wants to go without halts. That's where people are really misunderstanding. AMC GME, I lost everything in 08 till the end. You're probably going to get everything back, Julie. Chris Love, old guys I listen to. Arc and Jackie. Let's go, man. The only guys you listen to are Arc and Jackie. I love it, man. Thank you. Jackie Latiz, get the fuck out of here, man. I can't believe you're up in here. Dude, come on, man. Guys, make sure to give Jackie Latiz a fucking big ol' hug. Give him a fucking... Listen, man. I've been listening to you for a bit, buddy. I sent you a DM, I don't know, man, a week or two ago or whatever, right? A lot of people have been talking about you, man. A lot of people have been speaking about you, man. I'm just here to say thank you, brother. You know how it fucking goes, man. You know what the struggle is. You know how that shit has to happen, man. We gotta make that money and bring retail up with us because why, man? Because they don't know fucking how to, but we are not the same fucking traders that we were in February of 2021. Motherfucker, we became systematic. We became algorithmic, and now we're building our fucking high frequency trade systems coded today. Let me bring you the fucking algos, and you're gonna trade just like they do. And we're going to get this shit to pop up. Jackie, thank you so much, man, for coming on by. I appreciate you guys. Make sure to hit the like button on Jackie Latiz, subscribe to his channel, and make sure to join his fucking Discord immediately, or else I'm going to fire your fucking ass, and you're going to be banned from Arca Bulls, and you'll never be able to hear me again. Make sure to go right now. Thank you, Jackie. Appreciate you, buddy. All right, so if we have these targets laid out, we have the fibs agreeing with every single fucking upside that we're going to get. I need you to be careful with what you risk, right? I have a feeling here this shit's gonna rip in the after hours, man. We don't have any halts, man. There are motherfucking 600 people watching right now, and I see 400 likes. That shit doesn't make any sense at all. Make sure to hit that like button right now. Subscribe to the channel. More importantly, I want you to rape that shit. Rape it until it's absolutely fucking mooned. Somebody said we're going to Saturn tomorrow, man. I'm down. I'm fucking down, man. All I want here is to make sure that my son and my daughter and my family has a roof above their fucking heads. I'm sure you want the same thing too. Become a consistent trader. Become disciplined. Make a change in your fucking life. Read, study. Consistency is fucking key, and you'll see that the sky is the fucking limit. I love you guys. Thank you so much for coming on by. Let's make sure to continue on the analysis here. For those of you who don't understand, for those of you who don't know what the upside is on GME, let me go ahead and present it to you right now and just show it to you. I want you to take a screenshot of this shit, okay? GME sitting at 46.35. Remember, yesterday's targets. Guys, we spoke about this. We fucking spoke about this. It was very clear. I know. I see a $108 target, right? You guys spoke to me about Jackie's target at 90. I fucking agree. Let's get there. Let's validate our supports. Let's break the resistances. Let's confirm the motherfucking levels and take it to that upside. I want you to be aware over the targets and how they're fucking played, because they will play you and your psychology if you don't know better. Keep that shit going. Keep that shit popping, or else you're going to get left behind here. All right? So, for those of you who don't know, we're going to be streaming tomorrow. We're going to be observing here privately in the Arca Bulls trading team. I don't know if it's going to be public, but if you guys are here with me, make sure to be watching this shit with Jackie or with me. Somebody just said it right here, man, saying that somebody actually just said that the only guys I listen to is Jackie and Arca, right? I mean, guys, he's getting mentioned everywhere, right? We got to make sure to pay the respects where it is. The guy's working fucking hard. I'm fucking working hard. We're putting it out there for the team. Let's do it. I'm going to give you the targets one more time, team. Let's go ahead and make sure to have you prepped in case you're not joining that team, right? I can, guys, listen, with a true push to the upside, I am seeing targets above the one spot 272 at 53.78, potentially at the one spot 618 at 72.73. Keep that shit moving. Keep that shit going. CoinFox, thank you so much, buddy. Let's go. We need to break 500 likes. Join now. Right, that is your link to hit the monthly sub. That's my discount for you, right? The other discount is the one-shot lifeline deal. Make sure to come by. Make sure to trade with the Arca Bulls team, and I'll go ahead and give you those targets all damn day, man. Every fucking single body made over 300, 200% today, man. It was insane. Let's get it. Okay, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and just identify these targets here so that you can take a screenshot, right? Let's put it down just like this. 64.86 top on that. We have a 72.62 right about here, right? We have another target located right in the center. Why? I speak to you about this all the time. I speak to you about the center because the 50% retrace it's a real thing. Now, if we're using this cup and handle, the immediate short term is actually showing us that the target would be equivalent to that 50%. Come on, guys. We're already understanding where those targets could be, right? That's fucking fire, man. I want to see you guys. I want to see you guys succeed. I want to see you guys trade, but I also want to see you understand the short bias. For those of you who are new and watching me right now, I'm going to say it again. I am a short bias trader. I fucking hate what the financial markets have done towards the new guy. So I've been trained to short sell my whole life, and I didn't even know what stock trading was, and I was learning how to short. So take it from a short seller. I'm giving you the fucking targets from where I will short the fuck out of you. So know it. I'm not shorting a meme stock. I know fucking better, man. You're not going to get in the way of a fucking freight train, man. If you know anything about trading, you're not getting in the way of that, bro. You don't fight the trend. You don't fight the trend. You don't fight the Fed, man. Come on. Those are the two fucking foundationary rules in trading, right? So I'm literally giving you the fucking targets based on a short bias. And I also want to teach you how to short, because not to play it short, I want to teach you how to short so that you know that thesis. I want to display to you how that works. And then guess what? If you feel so fucking brave, I also want to teach you how to short systematically and algorithmically. Because yeah, we're building our systems. That shit, that fucking system is going to be up and running, and you're not going to believe the shit that we're going to bring back with this. Retail is going to succeed here. And Arca Bulls team is going to be branded and fucking made public. It's probably going to be traded publicly too. Big things are coming for the Arca Bulls brand, and I can't wait to explode the news on everyone right here because you all are going to benefit with us. Let's fucking get it. All right. Take a screenshot of your targets here, team. Remember, we're sitting at about $46.78. Let's go ahead and pull up one of the small algorithms here that I've developed, right? This is data cells. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the upper bound daily ATR is, right? You're looking at $6.40 on the daily ATR. What is an ATR? It's an average true range. It's telling you that this is how much an asset tends to move at a certain time, all right? At a certain day is the time. If you change the time to a 12-hour, then you have a different ATR. If you change it to a 1 hour, you have a different ATR. That's how shit tends to happen. All right? So, if that's what it is, let's make the math. If we're sitting here at around $47, what's $6 up from that? Right? We have around, say, $53. Now, $53 is located where? Well, it's located at the one spot 272. We said we would be limited here. I'm using the limitations of only the geometric levels of 272 and 618. It is not, guys, it is not saying that any other level is not important. In fact, I'm using geometrics in a very, very distinct way. I am not using traditional fib retracements. I am not using it the way that you should, financially speaking. I am using it inversely to give me the targets to the upside based on the movements from a very important time frame's ATR. Again, I'm using stats against geometrics and using stats to pair them with psychological targets. If you have confluence between psychology, if you have confluence between psychology and the freaking statistics, right? And technicals, you have kind of a slam dunk there, okay? So, mathematically speaking, if we open up at around $47, your daily ATR is taking you here to the one spot 272. But remember, these are tiny targets in comparison to what things could do. As you can see, today's price action rode from 31.83 all the way to 46.58. Now, how is it that I'm telling you that we would only run $6 when yesterday we were talking about a run from 32 all the way to 47? That's because we used a multiple time frame ATR upside. We want to know now how much we're going up. Are we doubling? Could that be a $13 ATR, right, which would be $12.80 on a buy daily? Could it be a 3-day? It's up to us to determine what the higher probability resistances would be, and fibs give us that higher probability based on behavior. That's how that shit happens. I need you to know that, yes, I am observing the targets of around $53, $54. We do have resistance there. Price action on a daily could retrace. Remember, today is the closure of your 4-day. If you have a 4-day closure, you're going to get a potential 50% retracement. Somebody asked me, what could the retracement be on this? Hold on, the moon is there. The retracement is usually, let's put it this way. The retracement is guys, statistically proven around 68 to 72% of the time. Your retracement is around 44% into the new candle, right? That means that the moment that you print the new candle, you're going to retrace 44 to 50% of the prior candle. Huge marabazoos here, man. These are big green candles. And this is, it's giving us upside. So if you get a 50% retrace, there is two reasons that we could be prevented from retracing all the way to the 50%. First of all, let's identify the 50% first, right? Hold on. That's that little guy yelling over there. He's doing all good. I thought he was crying. Let me go ahead and open up a new tab over here. We're going to do a new chart entirely, right? I want to be abundantly clear. DJ, my bro, thank you so much for your dono, man. Really appreciate you greatly, man. Coming across Arca a couple years ago, then joining the Discord trading team. Best investment I've ever made. My brother, thank you so much for sharing that with the trading team here. I absolutely fucking love it. No way. Guys, don't fucking tell me that. Salty Dog is telling me that Jackie sent it. Bro, did Jackie really do that? Guys, is that for real? You guys, listen up. I need to know if that's actually the fucking truth. I'm about to go and fucking give this guy a big ass hug. I'm gonna give him a kiss. Did Jackie send you? Type in an A in the chat right now. Throw those A's in the chat. Throw the A's in the chat if Jackie sent you. New Jackie sub here from Sean. Gregory, yes. Mikey, get the fuck out of here. Throw the A's in the chat if Jackie sent you here. Jackie la fucking tits. What the fuck are you doing, man? I love you, buddy. If you're still fucking listening over there, man, I fucking love you. Rest your fucking tonsils, man. You're going insane. Oh, man. You've been sub to Jackie. He's the man. I'm sub to him too, man. I'm also sub to the boy. Dude, let's... Guys, thank you all so much for coming on by, man. I'll make sure to stop by on Jackie's stream as well. I'm going to actually join his Discord, right? Make sure to join his as well. Let's make sure to get in there. He's a hardworking man. You got to pay your respect where it is, guys. Okay. Jesus Lord, man. That's fucking absolutely insane, man. Together strong is right, guys. Price action right now. Look where it's going, man. Are we mooning or what? Who the fuck is up in their position right now? Let's fucking go. It's fucking running, man. It's fucking running. It's going to 48 and beyond. Let's fucking get that shit. Guys, let me know if Jackie is live right now. He's not live right now, is he? He's still yelling his fucking tonsils out there or what? Let me know. Is he still live? AMC's fucking ripping too or what? Paul Orr, my brother, is saying Jackie is the man. Arca's trading team is full of great people. Love you both, Ambos, man. He's live right now. Fucking Jackie is live right now. Hold on. Hold up. Oh my goodness, man. That shit is funny as fuck. Hold on. Oh, dude. Give it. The guy is live. Oh my goodness, man. Let me hear him. Let me hear this guy right now, man. Check this out, guys. Here we go.
I still got more things to fucking fire off here.
My homeboy is live, man.
Trader 9566.
All right, guys, I'm going to share with you this link right here.
9566.
I'm going to share with you this link.
Request. Ask me for the captcha again. Asking me if I'm fucking human.
Right, here you go.
Dude, GameStop is fucking. GameStop is fucking here right now, folks.
It's on fire, motherfucker.
GameStop is not fucking playing around.
It's not playing around, bro. We're going to fucking 50. Let's go. All right, guys, here it goes. I'm going to give you the link. Make sure. I'm going to ask you this, okay?
Bronson _
Do me this favor. Go over there into his chat
Ask me if
right
I'm
now.
human again. Yep, I certainly am.
And say that Arca sent me. Go and fucking put it there.
GME, folks. Keep it locked in here, folks. GME is not fucking around.
Go and fucking send him a love, buddy.
All right, Bronson and Noob Trader. I got both of those guys in there now. Noob Trader has a fucking, just going to send it.
All right.
Then Bronson, let's get you in
Go
there,
to his
my boy.
fucking thing and say it right
Ask
now.
me if I'm fucking human again. No problem. GME, folks.
All right.
That's a new high in the after hours. $49.
Let's fucking go.
$49.
We're up, motherfucker. Boy. All right, guys, gotta fucking get the screen away from here because goddamn.
Got you, my boy. Let's see if Sarah sent a friend request yet.
Hold up.
I don't think so. I don't see a friend request from Sarah Castillo still.
Where the hell?
And I know I copied and pasted that name correctly. I know I did.
Hold up. We're about to send him a dono. I want you all to go there and say Jackie Arca sent me. I fucking love you. He's been coming up, man. He's been fucking riding it up, man. That's how we fucking do it.
GME is going sicko mode.
Let's go. 49.30 on GME. Let's run it.
GME is going sicko mode.
Oh, my God, bro. Guys, we're going to open up gapped up. We're going to be massively in the fucking money. Let's go.
Holy fuck, dude.
Let me see right here.
GME is not fucking playing. GME is not fucking playing, folks. GME is not fucking playing.
Let's fucking do it, man. Let's see what he says right here.
Goodness gracious, folks. 49.50. Oh, mama.
Let's fucking go, man. Oh, goodness gracious, man. I fucking love it, man.
Garrick. Garrick, are you in here? Garrick K?
We sent them fucking two of them so you can
Garrick
shut up
K.
and let's fucking do it, right? It's all fucking good, man. Oh, boy. All right,
Garrick
man.
K did not send me his username.
Are we gonna fucking make it or what, team? Are we gonna make it to 50 or what? We're sitting at 49.68 right now, guys. This is the resistance coming up on an annual chart, right? Look at the top of this candle here. That's sitting at what is that shit? At 49.85, man. 49.85 is the top of that candle here. We're experiencing some resistance, man. The Momo is fucking real. That's right, bro. Let's go. Dude. Daniel Bachelor fucking talking to me over there, too. Let's go ahead and say all love, right? Let's kill it, man. 49.38, 49.41. Let me check my position, man. I'm all shares. I only recently went in too, you guys. I'm not that far up, but I'm definitely up fucking 17%. Let's get it. Let's fucking get it, bro. Oh my goodness, man. This is fucking running, you guys. Oh my goodness. I can't, yeah, man. Oh, dude. Hold up. Let me bring this into a smaller time frame. I want to know what the fuck it's doing, right? All right. Oh, what is... He says,
Much appreciated, folks.
He just said shout out to all the Arca guys in here. That's what's up, buddy. That's what's up. That man, we support each other, right? Fuck it. Let's run it, guys. Let's run it.
Hopefully these guys that don't send me their fucking...
All right, let's see what's up. I'm going to come back down into a smaller time frame and see what's up. Jeffrey, I got you, buddy. Oh, my goodness, dude. Dick Hurt saying, hell yeah, let's go, man. Let's go. Yeah, so KR Films, mathematically, you said GME could touch. Okay. All right, fine. You got me, man. You got me. Fine, bro, fine. You got me. You got me, man. You got me. All right, let's go ahead and make sure that we can identify what that mathematical top side could be, right? I got you. Let me see what's up. Okay, let's zoom out. Let's bring this thing to the daily time frame and see what's up. Damn, guys, no fucking way it's doing it. Damn. Guys, fucking 579. This shit is sitting now at 635. Let's fucking go. Oh my God. God damn, dude. This thing is really fucking ripping. Oh, bro. Okay. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Okay. You already got this fucking play. You already know what we were potentially observing, right? We were looking at the one spot 272. We highlighted it right here at $6.40. Where's price action right now? It's fucking reaching 640 at the one spot 272. We just fucking said it. We just said we were running into that target right there. Let's fucking go, man. Consistency is key, you guys. Let's make sure to get that shit together the right way. All right. So, for that person asking me of geometric potentials, if we're speaking of, man, if we're speaking of an all-time high, reaching the targets of that, what was it up in here, man? It's actually higher on the 12-hour time frame. So let's, 12-hour time frame identified here at around that 4. Is it really that target? Is it 420.69? No fucking way it's that target. Hold up. No fucking way is that target. That's full of shit. You're full of shit. All right, good. It's 419. I thought that shit was 420.69. Fuck that. I'm fucking gullible right now. Fuck you too. Okay. All right. Some motherfucking hedge fund over there they're fucking around with that. All right. So guys, if we're talking geometrics here, yes, the space between the 2.618 and the 3.272 at that ridiculous number is sitting 50% that direction, right? So if we are splitting this into an additional time frame, what is the movement here, right? So let's see how far this can move on a monthly time frame. Let's put some math against this. So see, monthly time frame can move about $20. We just got the open of that candle, right? It's sitting at 640. If we open up around $7 tomorrow, 640 tomorrow, some bullshit like that, the monthly upside is what I'm trying to observe. So if it is the monthly upside, fuck, man. $20 is going to put you at $26 to $27. Let me take a look at that resistance. Okay, the bottom side of this candle is 28.51. The top side of this range here is 33.60 fucking 7. Oh my God, bro. Okay, yeah, this is your first resistance here. If this thing rips that way, guys, I want to display to you something a little bit different than your traditional price action, all right? I'm going to display to you a fair value gap, a price imbalance, and it is something that we want to be aware of always, okay? Take a look at this right here. The candle that I'm pointing to right up here, right? Take a look at that little wick, right? That little wick right there. Now I'm going to point to the other wick. Pay close attention, all right? Here's that other wick right down there. Right down there. This one right there. Right there. So that wick and this wick with this large body in between, that is called a fair value gap. That is your price imbalance. Gaps tend to get filled. Topside target look at this. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? The opening of this monthly candle is located where? Right at the 1.618. Now, we have a reason to move to that upside, right? Holy fucking shit, GME just hit $52. Damn! Let's fucking go! Damn, this shit is up. My position is up. We're fucking up. We're going. We're fucking going. Damn, bro. Oh, God, yes. All right, anyway, check this out. The moment you retrace from the areas of about that 1.618, you pull back. Your 33, your 32 zone, right down into this area becomes your immediate support. All right, let me show you how. We're going to draw that support right there and bring this shit up to this zone here. Right at that monthly candle at the 1.618 like we spoke of. What's your 50% retrace? Right here, tweezer bottoms, 33.51. You're supporting between 33.51 and 28.41, right? You're going to bring this shit to the downside like this. Then the next bounce would be the one to take price action into other levels. Guys, if you are talking around the $50 zone, that is your next resistance right after this top side here. Why is that? Because the candle in the fair value gap is fucking 48.18. So the why not thesis applies. You bring this shit to $50. The $50 retraces to the $40 and validates. This is absolutely powerful, team. There's a reason to get up to these targets here, and this thing is thrusting like no other. Like I said, All you fucking need is for this dude to simply fart into a fucking microphone and this shit's just gonna rip and fucking rip. Everyone is winning right now. I fucking love it, you guys. I'm gonna tell you again, there's no fucking excuses. I want to see you at my time, 6 a.m. fucking sharp for the fucking pre-market tomorrow in the morning. Hit the fucking link right there. Make sure to put your phone against it. Support the Arca Bulls trading team. Support our algorithmic traders. Make sure that we can bring this fucking short thesis all the way across fucking YouTube so that they can all see and play the short thesis against themselves. Fuck them. Let's get this shit to rip to the upside. Let's go. Fuck yeah, team. Thank you so much, everybody, for coming on by. I'm going to go ahead. Let's see right now. 9.28 thousand subscribers for fucking Arca Bulls right now. We're absolutely squeezing that fucking button. That's that shit I want to hear. I love it. I fucking love it. Thank you, everybody, for coming on out. I'm still thinking about doing another fucking live stream tonight for the real market prep and seeing what opportunities we have, because the guys, while we're watching GME and while we're watching AMC intraday, while we're watching that shit, we're also trading the other massive opportunities. Guys, I have personally made over 600% on ticker snow on a fucking short on that. So what about that feeling that you get when you say, damn, I wish I had more cash to fucking go in on this asset? Well, why don't we fucking make that cash and make it from fucking nothing into something and get your ass to trade it? No fucking excuses. I want to see you there tomorrow morning. Get there or be fucking square. All right? I love you guys so much. Let's go ahead and just cut out this stream and we'll debate on starting another one. For those of you who are joining, I'll try to get you into the after party. Usually the after parties are right after these live streams. Let's make sure to be aware, right? Thank you guys so much for coming on by. Let's go ahead and speak a little bit later and get this thing done. Thank you, team. I will talk to you soon. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Fucking ever. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything would be absolutely cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well. A very good rest of your night or day, and I'll catch you at the Bell Mañana. Adios! Yeah!